Welcome back to my channel. Hope you are doing well. Today I will be showing you how to make a vanilla cake using cake flour. And the reason why you should be using cake flour is to get a more tender and light cake. So let's get started. What you want to do first is go ahead and pop in 4 eggs into the stand mixer bowl. And in with that I will incorporate 1.5 cups of white granulated sugar, and I'm going to blend that for at least 3 to 4 minutes. Once you do that, the color will change to a light yellow once you whisk this for around 3 to 4 minutes. And I'm going to set this to a 4 on my stand mixer. My mixture is ready to add in the additional ingredients. So I have a 1/4 cup of sour cream. I'm just going to add that in. Also, this recipe calls for 3/4 of a cup of vegetable oil, 1 cup of milk, warm temperature, and 2 3/4 of baking powder, 2 3/4 of cake flour as well. And you will want to add in 2 teaspoons of pure vanilla extract. I'm just going to scrape that all in there. I'm going to be adding half of my milk, and then I'll go in with the flour in thirds. This cake recipe I will be making cupcakes with, and I'll be topping them with the whipped cream, stabilized chopping. So let's go ahead and combine this. Make sure to scrape up the sides also to get this all incorporated. You do want to be careful with not over mixing too. Okay, so we're ready for the next batch of flour. You're ready to add more in when you can see that everything has been incorporated. I'm going to put this to a lower speed so it doesn't dust everywhere. I'm going to add the rest of that milk and finish it off with the last bit of flour. And that's going in with a 3/4 cup of vegetable oil. 2 3/4 teaspoons of baking powder. 2 teaspoons of pure vanilla extract. This one here is the generic brand from Walmart. You can find what works best for you. going in with the last bit of this flour. I'm just going to scrape that all in there. I'm going to be adding half of my milk, and then I'll go in with the flour in thirds. This cake recipe I will be making cupcakes with, and I'll be chopping them with the whipped cream stabilized chopping. So let's go ahead and combine this. Make sure to scrape up the sides also to get this all incorporated. You do want to be careful with not over mixing too. Okay, so we're ready for the next batch of flour. You're ready to add more in when you can see that everything has been incorporated. And there you have it. It should look something like this. These are finally ready to go into the oven for 17 minutes at 350 degrees. So there it is, guys. This recipe makes 30 cupcakes, 3-layer 6-inch cake, or 2-layer 8-inch cake, whichever works, or even 9-inch if you wanted to, and then fill it more in the middle with a good filling. But I do want to thank you very much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Stay tuned for more. Thanks. Bye.